Crinum asiaticum, commonly known as poison bulb, giant crinum lily, grand crinum lily, or spider lily, is a plant species widely planted in many warmer regions as an ornamental. It is one of the most common in home landscapes and it is of a white flowering variety. It is native to Indian Ocean islands, East Asia, tropical Asia, Australia, and Pacific islands. It is regarded as naturalized in Mexico, the West Indies, Florida, Louisiana, and numerous Pacific islands, and Madagascar. Leaves can reach 4 feet in length and up to 5 inches wide near their base. Generally, they remain narrow in comparison to their length. These develop in a cluster at the base of the plant, and it's from its dense foliage that the flower scapes erupt. The flowers are reminiscent of stars. Each long, tubular flower has 6 petals that extend out to the sides. Most of the time they are white in hue, but they may develop reddish strips or a purplish tint. Although crinum lilies will adapt to different soil conditions, they grow best in a rich, organic, moist soil that is well drained. Crinums will grow in full sun or partial shade, and some benefit from a little shade during the heat of the day. Plants need minimum fertilizer applications, but most crinum enthusiasts recommend a couple of applications each year to increase flower production. Good companion plant suggestions for crinums include plants that show their best advantage with low plants around the base. Consider blue days, sweet potato vine, coral creeper, and dwarf oyster plant. As with almost all lilies, crinum lilies are toxic to humans and pets alike. The entire genus can be deadly to cats, while symptoms range from mild to moderate for dogs and humans. A few grains of pollen is all it takes for some species to cause kidney failure in cats. Perhaps the most toxic part is the bulb.